Hey guys, it's February 25th, 2021. Let's take a look at how Nano Dimension traded today. So the market is closed. It's roughly 10:20 Eastern. So take a look at Nano Dimension. The market is still selling off. As you guys can see here, even on the 1 hour, we are at the 20 range in the RSI, and the the MACD is pointing downward. So we're getting kind of pummeled out here, but I still believe in this stock, and I think just this correction with the market was due. So I'm looking forward to coming back up. So as you can see here, the Nasdaq has been going down quite a bit. As the other markets. So it's not just Nano Dimension, it's just the overall market itself. And then I believe the 3D printing sector is also just generally down, and so it's a double impact. So as far as things are going, right now things are kind of really iffy. It's really hard to tell what's going to happen. But the thing I could probably would say is that this thing may head down to the 880 level, or if we get some volume, at least head back to the 1009 support. I wouldn't be surprised if we make it down here to 883 and then hopefully make it back up, because the RSI is definitely pretty low on an hourly basis. But doesn't mean that it won't stay like that. So we've seen this before over there on the 23rd. So even on the 4-hour scale, it's still pretty down. Daily, we're definitely getting to the point where it's oversold. So I'm thinking, I remember seeing the index where it was moving towards the MA, and I can't remember exactly where it was, but it was getting close. So I think maybe by next week or mid next week at the latest, we'll start to see signs of recovery in the market. But we'll have to see. Hopefully we'll start to see signs of recovery, and then hopefully be able to push back up higher to where we were before. If not, we may chop around for a while. So at least on the weekly, the RSI is gone back to healthy levels. And so we're looking here on a weekly to see if we're gonna bounce off the signal there. So I think we're at a point where these are going to be the critical areas. I would be very surprised if we went below $8, but it can happen. So just be on the lookout for that. As far as news goes, there's really no news of anything that is fundamental to the company. So it's just overall market conditions. Other than that, guys, that's pretty much it. I mean, we're kind of just under the influence of the market for a correction. So we'll just see, how things play out. I believe also with the GAN angles, this was a place of interest. As you guys can see before, that's what happened here and here. So I think my theory with some of the GAN price clusters has been playing out quite a bit. So hopefully with this item here, we'll be able to see some more in the future and see how things go. Other than that, guys, I don't really have anything else to say. I mean, it's just we're just waiting for the market. So hopefully things won't be won't get too much worse, and then we'll start to see some recovery. All right, guys. Other than that, hang in there. Tomorrow's Friday, and hopefully we'll get some good good uptrend starting at the latest in March, early March. All right, so other than that, take care. See you tomorrow. Hopefully, we'll get some reprieve tomorrow. Have a good night. Bye.